Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly exciting in store for you. We're about to dive into the world of innovation and explore 5 of the coolest tech gadgets that you absolutely need in your backpack. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an adventurer, these gadgets are sure to level up your daily life and take your experiences to a whole new level. So, if you're ready to equip your backpack with the latest and greatest tech marvels, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Are you a tech enthusiast always on the lookout for innovative gadgets that can enhance your daily adventures? Look no further. In this video, we present 5 of the coolest tech gadgets that are an absolute must-have for your trusty backpack. Whether you're a student, a professional hustling through the day, or an adventurous explorer, these gadgets will undoubtedly level up your everyday life and make you the envy of your peers. From wireless earbuds to smart water bottles, these marvels of technology will add convenience, entertainment, and functionality to your backpack arsenal. So let's embark on a journey to discover the 5 coolest tech gadgets that will revolutionize the way you explore the world. 1. Wireless earbuds. Immerse yourself in sound. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to an immersive audio experience with wireless earbuds. These sleek and stylish companions provide exceptional sound quality, making your favorite tunes sound even better. But it doesn't stop there! These earbuds are perfect for answering calls on the go, and with their advanced noise-canceling features, you can escape the hustle and bustle of the outside world. Whether you're sweating it out in the gym or taking a leisurely stroll, wireless earbuds are the perfect musical companion for your adventures. 2. Portable charger, power on the go. The dreaded low battery anxiety is now a thing of the past with a high-capacity portable charger in your backpack. Keep all your essential gadgets, like smartphones and tablets, fully charged throughout the day. The latest models come equipped with lightning-fast charging capabilities and multiple ports, enabling you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're traveling, attending classes, or exploring remote places, this trusty power bank will be your ultimate savior. 3. Mini projector. Carry your entertainment anywhere. Transform any blank wall into a thrilling, big-screen cinema experience with a mini projector in your backpack. These pocket-sized projectors are a game-changer, allowing you to enjoy movies, give impressive presentations, or even have fun gaming sessions on the go. With built-in batteries and smart features like Wi-Fi connectivity, your backpack turns into a portable entertainment hub. Share memorable moments with friends during outdoor gatherings, or make your study sessions unforgettable with this pocket powerhouse. 4. Multi-tool pen, your Swiss Army knife gadget. Get ready for versatility at your fingertips with the multi-tool pen. It's not just a writing tool, it's an all-in-one solution for quick fixes and measurements. Besides offering smooth writing, it includes a stylus for touchscreen devices, a mini screwdriver, a ruler, and even a built-in level. This compact and practical gadget is perfect for unexpected moments when you need to be prepared for anything. A must-have for any modern backpack to tackle life's surprises. 5. Smart water bottle. Hydration meets technology. Staying hydrated is essential, and the smart water bottle takes hydration to the next level. With a built-in hydration tracker synced to your smartphone, you'll receive timely reminders to drink water regularly. Say goodbye to dehydration woes and stay energized throughout the day. Some models even feature temperature control, keeping your beverages hot or cold for extended periods. Stay refreshed and healthy with this intelligent water companion by your side. In this tech-savvy era, having the right gadgets in your backpack can revolutionize the way you explore the world. From wireless earbuds delivering captivating sound to portable chargers keeping your devices powered on the go, these 5 coolest tech gadgets are your perfect companions for every adventure. Embrace innovation and convenience with a mini projector for entertainment on demand, a multi-tool pen for practicality, and a smart water bottle to keep you hydrated and refreshed. Upgrade your backpack with these gadgets and embark on a journey of excitement, efficiency, and endless possibilities. So go ahead and equip your backpack with these incredible tech wonders and get ready for a future full of limitless exploration and experiences. Happy backpacking!